In this video, I just wanted to share a video with you how you can download your Replit app and open it inside of Cursor or Visual Studio Code. So here you're going to want to toggle this folder icon here. You're going to click download as zip. That's going to put it in our downloads. We're just going to go ahead and extract it. And then I'm going to drag and drop this over Cursor or VS Code, whatever one you prefer. In my case, I'll do Cursor. Now, you're going to want to install your package dependencies. So type in npm I, or you can type out install. It's all the same thing. It just installs a dependency for us. Now, say if we tried npm run dev, it looks like we got a port already in use. I don't know what's running on port 5000. I don't know, but it doesn't work to kill it. So in server index, we're just going to change this to an open port. I'm just going to do 3003. You should do 3000 if you have nothing else running. I just do 3003 because I got some things running in port 3000. So here, that's going to start our project on port 3000. And then if I go to localhost port 3003, I could view that project. And then inside of Cursor, I could say make the background blue. So here's how you just chat with side of Cursor and change things for it. So here it's just going to try to change the background for us, and we'll see if it does it. I can't make any guarantees, just press accept. And here the background is now blue. So that's how you download your Replit app and open it inside of Cursor or Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.